Hey everyone, welcome back to Fact Fusion. Have you ever wondered how animals survive in the wild? Just like superheroes have their special powers, animals have unique ways to protect themselves and catch their prey. Today, we're diving into the world of animal defense and attack strategies. From invisible octopuses to snakes with venomous bites, nature is full of incredible weapons. So get ready to be amazed by some of the coolest natural weapons in the animal kingdom. Camouflage, the art of blending in. Let's start with one of the most common and fascinating defense mechanisms in nature: camouflage. Many animals have developed the ability to blend into their surroundings to avoid predators or sneak up on their prey. Take the chameleon, for example. This lizard is famous for its ability to change the color of its skin to match its environment. But did you know that chameleons also use this skill to communicate and regulate their body temperature? Another master of disguise is the cuttlefish. Cuttlefish are marine animals related to squids and octopuses. They can change their skin color, pattern, and even texture to mimic their surroundings perfectly. This helps them hide from predators like sharks and also allows them to ambush unsuspecting prey. Cuttlefish are so good at camouflage that even when scientists know they are there, it can be nearly impossible to spot them. Imagine having such a powerful ability to become invisible whenever you want. Camouflage isn't just about blending in, it's also about confusing predators. The peppered moth, for example, has wings that resemble tree bark. When they rest on tree trunks, they are nearly impossible to see. This adaptation was especially important during the Industrial Revolution in England, when pollution turned many trees dark, and the moths with darker wings had a better chance of survival. Venom and poison, nature's chemical weapons. Now let's talk about some of the deadliest weapons in nature: venom and poison. Many animals use these toxic substances for defense and to capture prey. But what's the difference between venom and poison? Venom is a toxic substance injected into another organism, like a snake bite or a bee sting. Poison, on the other hand, is toxic when eaten or touched, like the skin of a poison dart frog. One of the most famous venomous creatures is the king cobra. This snake has venom so powerful that a single bite can kill an elephant. The king cobra doesn't just rely on its venom to hunt, it also uses its incredible sense of smell to track down prey. And when it feels threatened, it can stand up and spread its hood to look more intimidating, warning potential predators to stay away. On the other side of the world, the blue-ringed octopus, found in the Pacific Ocean, carries a venom that can paralyze and kill humans in minutes. What's scary is that this tiny creature, no bigger than a golf ball, is also incredibly good at hiding. It only shows its bright blue rings when it feels threatened, as a warning to back off. This is a classic example of nature's deadly beauty: small but extremely dangerous. But not all toxic animals are aggressive. The poison dart frog, native to Central and South America, gets its name because indigenous people used its skin toxins on their blow darts for hunting. The frog itself doesn't inject venom. Instead, its bright colors warn predators that it's poisonous to eat. This type of warning coloration is called aposematism and is a common strategy in nature to avoid being eaten. Armor and shields, built-in bodyguards. Some animals don't need to hide or use toxins to protect themselves. They have built-in armor. Think about the armadillo, a small mammal covered in tough, bony plates that act like a natural suit of armor. When threatened, the armadillo can curl up into a ball, making it nearly impossible for predators to bite through its tough exterior. It's like having your own personal shield with you all the time. Similarly, the pangolin, another armored mammal, has overlapping scales made of keratin, the same material that makes up human nails and hair. When in danger, the pangolin rolls into a tight ball, using its scales to protect its soft underbelly. Unfortunately, these unique creatures are often hunted for their scales, which are falsely believed to have medicinal properties. In the ocean, the pufferfish uses a different kind of armor. When threatened, the pufferfish inflates itself to several times its normal size, displaying sharp spines that deter predators. Some pufferfish also have a potent toxin in their bodies, making them a dangerous meal for any predator brave enough to take a bite. Turtles and tortoises are other great examples of animals with natural armor. Their hard shells provide excellent protection from predators. When threatened, they can retract their head and limbs inside their shells, creating a nearly impenetrable barrier. This slow but steady defense mechanism has been so effective that it has helped turtles and tortoises survive for millions of years. Speed and agility, outrunning danger. Sometimes the best defense is a good offense, and in the animal kingdom, that often means being able to run away quickly. Speed and agility are crucial for many animals when escaping predators. The cheetah, known as the fastest land animal, can sprint up to 70 miles per hour for short distances. This incredible speed allows it to chase down prey like gazelles, which are also known for their speed and agility. But it's not just about running fast, it's also about maneuvering. The gazelle's agility, with its ability to make sharp turns and quick changes in direction, can often help it evade a cheetah's chase. This high-speed game of tag between predator and prey is a fascinating example of the evolutionary arms race in nature. Birds also use speed to their advantage. The peregrine falcon, for example, is the fastest animal on the planet when it dives, reaching speeds over 200 miles per hour. This bird uses its incredible speed and keen eyesight to catch other birds in midair, striking with precision and force. In the water, the sailfish is considered one of the fastest swimmers, reaching speeds up to 68 miles per hour. Its speed, combined with its long, sharp bill, makes it a formidable predator in the ocean. The sailfish's agility allows it to swiftly change directions to catch its prey or evade larger predators. Spikes and horns, nature's sharp defenses. For some animals, the best way to avoid becoming someone else's lunch is to make themselves hard to eat. Many animals have evolved spikes, horns, or other sharp defenses to ward off predators. The porcupine, for instance, has a back covered in sharp quills that can easily detach and embed into the skin of a predator. These quills are painful and difficult to remove, making the porcupine a tough target for any hungry carnivore. Similarly, the rhinoceros uses its massive horn as a weapon to defend itself and its territory. The rhino's horn is made of keratin, the same material as our nails and hair, and it can grow up to 5 feet long. When threatened, a rhino will charge at full speed using its horn as a powerful tool to fend off threats. This makes the rhino one of the most formidable animals in the savanna. Insects like the bombardier beetle have evolved to use chemical warfare. When threatened, this beetle can shoot a hot, noxious chemical spray from its abdomen. This boiling spray can deter even the most determined predators, making the bombardier beetle one of the most uniquely defended insects. Electricity, shocking predators and prey. And finally, let's talk about one of the most unusual weapons in nature, electricity. Some animals have developed the ability to produce electric shocks to stun their prey or ward off predators. The electric eel, for example, can generate an electric shock of up to 600 volts, enough to stun a human or even knock out a horse. This shocking ability helps the electric eel hunt for fish and defend itself against predators. Electric eels aren't the only ones with this shocking defense. The electric ray, or torpedo fish, can also generate electric shocks to stun prey and protect itself from danger. These shocks can reach up to 220 volts, which is enough to incapacitate a small fish or deter a predator. It's like having a built-in taser to use whenever needed. This incredible ability to generate electricity is a result of special organs that contain cells called electrocytes. These cells work like tiny batteries, storing and releasing electrical energy in powerful bursts. Imagine having the power to deliver an electric shock to anyone who tries to mess with you. The endless creativity of nature. So there you have it. From camouflage and poison to speed and electricity, animals have developed some of the most fascinating weapons and defenses to survive in the wild. Nature's creativity knows no bounds, and there is always more to discover about how animals live and thrive. Which natural weapon surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Fact Fusion, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.